Hello everyone, I'm back with a screen protector installation video for the amFilm tempered glass screen protector for the iPad mini 6 or iPad mini 7. It'll fit both of them. You can pick these up on Amazon in a 2-pack for $6.79, so not a bad deal, about a little more than three and some change. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring my iPad mini over. I actually did take off the sticker, the cellophane and one of the stickers, so I can make this a little faster, but it says, "Thank you for choosing amFilm." These are kind of like my go-to screen protectors because they're inexpensive and they're relatively solid. Now these are just the screen protector. It doesn't come with the installation guide or anything like that, the kind of plastic that goes over it. Inside you'll get 2 screen protectors, and you'll also get the installation accessories. So go ahead and open these up. Now, I'll be honest, most of the time I find that they're not quite enough, so I usually use some of my own stuff here, but we'll see how this one goes. Again, this is from amFilm. But the tempered glass screen protectors, are generally extremely overpriced when you buy them at places like Best Buy, so I prefer to get them on Amazon. Here's an installation guide if you want to scan that, and a couple of wet wipes, one for each of the screen protectors. And again, usually these are kind of small, they're kind of dried out. Let's see how this one is. This one is not dried out, but they're pretty small. That's it. So you get a very small wet wipe. Now, for the mini, I think it might be okay, but I'm not sure if you had a bigger iPad, if you get something like this, it would actually work. So let's go ahead and give that a good wipe down. It also comes with the sort of drier one here, and we'll go ahead and wipe that down as well. And like I said, this is kind of my go-to screen protector. I get them often for many of my phones, so it's a pretty solid wipe down there. Let me go ahead and wipe it down a little bit more just to make sure. And it also has some dust removal stickers. Now, some of these are pretty small. Again, for the mini, maybe it's enough. If you have some others, then that might not be a bad thing. So you just go ahead and kind of just sort of dust squeegee it all over the place. Let's see, I like to do it when it's darker so we can see the actual dust. And as you can see, the mini is not cooperating with me. Okay, that might be solid enough. I don't see much dust on there anymore. So we'll go ahead and pull that to the side. And the screen protector itself is going to be relatively okay in terms of size. Now, this is, let's see, it says remove this portion. Let's see here. It's hard to read with the red here. Well, let's see which side is sticky and which side is not. That's what I'm trying to figure out here. Okay, so this is step 1. So we're going to remove this portion of it here. And this, I think, is the sticky side. So, yep, that's the sticky side. So we want to line that up with our camera. The camera cutout is right here on the top, and just kind of line it up here. Now, it's not too bad. Again, some of them come with like the liner already attached, but this is pretty good size, and I don't really have an issue in terms of lining it up properly. We'll go ahead and make sure that's all lined up nicely there. Now, what I'm seeing so far is it doesn't quite fit as nicely as I would like it to. Let me see if I can adjust it a little bit. We'll take that portion off. Yeah, I may have put it a little bit too high. Actually, it's not too bad. It's just a little bit uneven. So let me go ahead and see if I can pick it up here again. And usually you can do this maybe once or twice without getting dust in it. So let's go ahead and try to line that up properly. And mostly it's the camera that'll give you like the indication as to whether or not you've got it lined up well. So this is pretty solid. Okay, and then you can just kind of lean it gently down and go from there. And yeah, not so much better on that one. And it'll just kind of sort of do its thing there. As you can see, it's kind of moving this way. If you have like a wipe, and again, I'm going to go ahead and use my own. Well, actually, I'll go ahead and use theirs. You can just kind of squeegee out the any bubbles, but it didn't bubble up at all. We're good to go. And that's that. So again, it fits well. It'll fit the 6 or the 7. And for $7, $6.79 to be exact, it's a solid. You get 2 of them, so in case you crack one, or in case, you know, after a while they get kind of old. To be honest with you, I like using the screen protectors, the tempered glass screen protectors on the iPads, because I do note taking with the pencils. So, you know, it does, and it doesn't interfere at all with it. So I think that that's, for me, something that I prefer to do. So I don't want to really write on the screen itself. So the tempered glass screen protector works well. It doesn't interfere with anything as well. Let me go ahead and, I have to punch in my passcode, so we're not going to do that. But as you can see, it fits perfectly fine. So yeah, it's pretty easy installation. It doesn't have the plastic thing that goes over it, but if you're careful with it, you really don't need it. Just kind of make sure you're lining it up with the camera here. And I've used these for pretty much every device I have that has a glass on it. I think the only exception was the Tab S10 Ultra. I didn't get one for that, but this brand in particular, again, I find pretty solid. So again, it's amFilm, and you can pick it up at Amazon. So yep, that's it. Pretty easy install, good quality screen protector on the cheap. Don't buy these at the carrier stores. Don't buy these screen protectors at retail stores. They're way overpriced. They charge like $20, $30 for one piece of glass that literally, this is probably overpriced. It costs like $1, if that, to make both of them, I'm sure. So at $6.79, it's much better. You get 2 of them, and you know, you're not getting gouged by the carrier, so, or by the retail store. So don't do that. Just get them on Amazon, much cheaper. Okay, that's all for now. Hope you're well. Hope your family's well, and I'll see you on the next time. Bye-bye.